So in this subject, what I'm going to do is, in this subject, we're going to talk about adding a verified email to your account. So we will go to sender emails here, right? So we need to add an email. So you will only be able to add an email once your domain is verified, right? Sender name, sender email, but the domain is not yet verified. It would take 48 hours, but we will still try to create an official email in your Hostgator, okay? So we will go to email here. So in this subject, we're going to talk about how to create an official email from your Hostgator. We will go to email, scroll at the top, and go to email accounts, and simply write here
your domain,
happyhealthstar.com, and just say contact, okay? Or let's say team, okay? Team at happyhealthstar.com, and the password. So I'll simply write down the password, maybe whatever. I'll just write down. Okay, can you just write down a password of your own here, please? Make sure you remember this, okay? Do not forget it. Now password again, type the password again. Okay, now scroll down and create account. That's correct, create account. So yes, your official email has been created. So you just need to scroll down, and this is where your email is. And then you need to click more, and click access webmail. And just select round cube as default and click round cube here, and just keep this link in your notepad, okay? So you don't have to go through this whole process again. So let's say I'll just click here, webmail, happy health star, okay? Now you just need to use this link moving forward to access this webmail. So any email that comes to the team at happyhealthstar.com will come here, okay? So this is how you create your quick email. You can create n number of emails. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back again, and we're going to create an email for this account as well. Let's say getmorecashonline.com, and we're going to say team at getmorecashonline.com. Please type the same, please type a password here. Maybe you can use the same password that you use for other email. Just create the password.
Scroll down, create
account, that's correct. Okay, team at getmorecashonline. And pretty much let's click here, team at getmorecashonline, and access webmail, set this as default round cube, and pretty much you can copy this link and put it in your notepad here, right? Like what was that? What's the name of this? Team at getmorecashonline.com. So team at getmorecashonline.com. This is where you can access this email, right? And this is how you can create email. So you can create more emails with whatever word, support at getmorecashonline.com. You just have to follow the process that I just showed you, okay? Now this is where you finish the subject on creating the email.